Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, viewers across the globe, wherever you are watching me from. Welcome to InfoDem. In this exciting video, I'll be teaching you how you can make money on Binance without losing a dime. I repeat again, how you can put your money in Binance and you will make money without losing a penny. So if you find this video interesting at the end of the day, don't hesitate to subscribe to this channel, because coming in next week I'll be showing you how you can make between $20 to $50 every day on Binance. A lot of people are afraid to venture into trading. A lot of people are afraid to venture into Binance because of the risk factor. But I want to tell you that there are so many ways you can make money on Binance without you losing your capital, and you will be making profit on daily basis. So that is the essence of this video. That is why it is very important that you subscribe to InfoTips. I'll be unfolding all the secrets of Binance to you, how you can make money. I want to actually teach extensively on how you can leverage on this Binance platform and make money. So if you haven't registered on Binance before, I want you to go to the description box and click the link there. Use the link to download your Binance and register. It is very easy. You can actually make money on Binance without losing a penny. Straight, before I go into how you can actually do this, it is very important for you to know how to deposit on Binance. So what you do when you have downloaded your Binance application, just like what I said, check the description box below, click the link there to download. There are two links there. You can click any of those links to download and register your Binance application. If you have done that, when you open your application, will look like this. So what you need to do is to change from light to, you click here. When you click here, you will change from light to pro. You change from light to pro. As a matter of fact, you can also operate here, but it's better you go to pro so that you can have extensive analysis and widespread of program on Binance. So you click here. If you have done that, now you have been migrated to Binance Pro. Now the first thing I want to teach you is very important, that you know how to deposit money in your Binance account. That is the first step. So as you can see here, you see deposit. When you click deposit, it will take you to this place. I don't have crypto asset. Do you want to deposit naira, or you want to deposit dollar, or you want to do P2P trading? You will click deposit naira. Deposit naira, because I've already changed my currency to naira, so I'll click deposit naira. Now it will take you to, now as you can see, there's nothing to fear here. There are two options here. Is either you deposit your money through bank transfer cash link and e-wallet cash link. So what I use most is cash transfer, and this cash transfer, where we have merchants that are in charge of all this cash transfer, that they will charge you. For example, if you are transferring 10,000 naira, they will charge you 100 naira. There is nothing to fear here because Binance is very, very secure. So depending on the merchant that is using your bank, there are so many of them. So for example, mine is Sterling Bank. So now if I want to transfer any money now, I want to deposit any money now, from here the next thing I need to do is to click back transfer cash link in bracket, then I click continue. If I've done that, you can see it has brought the you me to this place where I need to enter the amount that I want to transfer. As you can see, 1,000 and above. So I will now put 1,000, for example, for the purpose of this teaching. I put 1,000 naira. As you can see, then I will have to continue. As you can see, this is the amount that I'm going to get at the end of the day because the merchant fee is 100 naira. So I'm going to get 900 naira out of the 1,000 naira. So the next thing I want to do from here is to press continue. Now you will notice that after I press continue, it will now bring out the bank detail of the merchant. That is why I said there's nothing to fear until you confirm that the money has been paid. The money will be on hold with Binance until the merchant pay that money into your account. Until the merchant, credit your account with that amount, the money will be on hold. As you can see, say make a payment. Complete the cash deposit by making transfer into the merchant account. Please ensure you use the account link to your cash profile. If not, the transaction will be invalid. I click I have paid. Now you scroll up like this, you will see the merchant account number. This is the merchant account number. Now I will copy it. Right now you can see this is Ibrahim Mekudi. This is the one. Yesterday the one that I used was Juku Emeka something, but this time around now is Ibrahim Mekudi. That is why if in my next video I will also teach you how to become a merchant on Binance. How to become a merchant on Binance. It is important that you subscribe to InfoDem because here I will be taking you step by step. This account number, I will go to my bank. Okay, now I have successfully transferred the money from my bank app. The next thing I want to do, if you have done that, is to say to click I have paid. If you click you have paid, you check this button, then you say continue. Now I want to show you something here. Look at what is written here. We lock the funds you are transferring to the merchant safely till you have been paid. So until the merchant confirmed that he has paid this money and your money has been debited or credited, the money has been credited into your Binance account, this money will be locked. So it's not as if it's not something that you should fear about, that somebody can go away with your money. Your money is safe. It will be locked with Binance. And if at the end of the day the merchant did not show up, your money will be reversed. So it's very safe to deposit money on Binance. You will see now very soon the merchant will confirm, will, will credit my account, and Binance will confirm that that has been done. As you can see, the time is ticking. So while we wait for the time, for while we wait for the merchant to confirm this, I want to encourage you. Don't, if you are scared about, yes, as you can see, transaction is now completed, payment sent, your deposit was sent. That is it. So now you can now go back to home. Go to spot. As you can see, the money has been added to my account. As you can see, look at the history. You can see the history. Deposited here. See the date. Okay. So that is how to deposit money on your Binance account. So now let's go further. The next thing you want to see, search, and you click here. As you can see, trends, you see auto invest, you see fan token, then you see convert. Here you go to convert, because I want to show you how you can make money without losing a dime on Binance. So as you can see, I want to convert my naira to another cryptocurrency. This is how to convert. And also, if you want to change your cryptocurrency to money, this is how you go about it. But if you, for the purpose of this video on how to make money without losing a dime, I want to convert my naira to another cryptocurrency. So what do? I come to this place, okay, then I click naira, click the naira logo. Then what am I converting into? For the purpose of this teaching, I want to convert it to BUSD. I want to convert it to BUSD, BUSD. So I'm converting my naira to BUSD, as you can see. So now the logo has changed. You can see naira here, you see BUSD there. So how many naira am I converting? Let me just say maximum. That is the whole amount in my naira wallet, my spot wallet naira. So as you can see, now this is the unit of BUSD that my 1888 naira will give me. So the next thing I want to do is to click preview conversion. As you can see, if I'm done with that, I click convert. It's confirming. As you can see, it is successful. Now, how do you now make money without losing a dime? If you have done the conversion finish to any cryptocurrency, you can convert to BTC, you can convert to Ethereum, you can convert to BNB and the rest of them. How do you now make the money without, losing a dime? So the next thing you want to do from here now is to go to your wallet. You go to your wallet. If you have gone to your wallet, up here you see N. You click N. So when you click N, there are two options here. You can do auto. So when you just click N there, then you click N here. Now, if you have done that, where I have converted my naira to BUSD, so I will now click BUSD here. Now you see the option. Do you want it flexible or you want it auto invest? You can choose auto because it will be rolling over from time to time, but for the purpose of this video, let me just choose flexible. I choose flexible. As you can see, the return on your investment now will be 0.44% on subscription. So how many bots am I subscribing? Let's say maximum, the whole bots that I have in that place. As you can see, this is the daily estimate reward. This is what you will be getting every day. This is the money you will be making every day without you coming, without you doing anything. You can be sleeping, and this will be added to your boss. The next thing you want to do now is to click confirm. As you can see, boss subscription successful. This is the subscription amount. Then you can now go to your wallet bar. So that is how you make money on daily basis on Binance without you losing a dime. It is just like fixed deposit account. This time around it's flexible. You can do it for 1 month, you can do it for 3 months, but you can be sure that money will be added into your account and you don't have any reason. You won't lose a penny, you won't lose a dime. So that is one way of making money on Binance. In my next video, I'll be teaching you how to make between $20 to $50 a day on Binance. If you find this video interesting, I want to encourage you. Don't be selfish about this video. Tell others. Let them watch this video. Share this video on your social media handles so that others can gain, because thousands are making money from forex every day. You can be one of them. So if you have any money that you are not using, that you put in your bank and it's just there, it's better you put it in. Let the money be yielding great interest for you. You have no reason to put your money in one place that is just there and it's not growing. So this is another opportunity for you to do. So I will encourage you to use my link below in the description box. That is my referral code to register your Binance account. And also share this video, like this video. Until I see you in my next video, I want to say be